Hi guys, yeah, it's been a long time since I posted a video. This big rig fought me from the beginning till the end. But I tell you, it's a very well detailed kit. Um, I painted it with Tamiya paint. This is gunmetal. And then this is silver metallic. And then I used pinstripe, red pinstripe to break the body colors down. I made my own pogo stick with the cables. I put aluminum contacts on the ends. And how I made that pogo stick, I used aluminum tubing. And if you can see, I wired the brakes to the air tanks. And these tires are from Jeff, or the Ferrets, I forget. These back ones. I use Manitoba pen for the nuts and whatnot. And the worst part of this whole kit was the hinge. It has it right here. Well, the location is further up, so it's not right. And the instructions for this kit was really bad. But I had this kit since 81 when my friend passed away. So I kept it all these years. And this is my very first rig that I ever built. It hinges. Oh, well, it did. I wonder if I can take a picture of the interior. If you can see, I got like a magazine that I printed off and put it on one of the seats. The interior is painted with buff, Tamiya paint. And thanks to Hunter, he's the one that gave me the tip that, you know, I have to thin out Tamiya paint. And I went by his word, and I tell you, it worked like a dream. I like the Tamiya paint and Vallejo paint. That's the only thing I use right now. And I had to make my own orange lenses for these lights up here. And what I did is I use Walt Bond white glue with clear orange Tamiya paint. And that's how I just mixed it up and put a little blob on the end. And that was that. But anyways, I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out pretty good. Oh yeah, and I did the decal on the back of Easy Rider. Ghost Rider, I mean. Easy Rider. You can tell that I just got off work, so I'm kind of, you know, not all there. Anyways, I might do a live feed. I'm not too sure yet. I'm also gonna do a little bit something different once I hit the 500 subscribers. I'm gonna have people that are interested in the kit that I'm giving away. I'm not gonna show the kit because it's like a holy grail, It's back in the 60s. So, but what I'm going to do is, anybody that wants to be in it, I'll do a video once I hit the 500 subscriptions. And what I want you guys to do is make up an intro for my channel. And me and my son will pick out the best intro for my channel. And that person will win. I'm not going to do no random draw or anything. But it'd be a challenge for a lot of you guys. Maybe some are better than others. But I like to see what kind of intros you guys can come up with for my channel. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. I might do another video. I might do a live feed. I'm not sure. If I do a live feed, I'm gonna show how to do the tack, how I make my own tacks, and I'm gonna show you the old-fashioned one type from the 60s and early 70s, and show you the latest one. Okay? Well, you guys take care, and just keep on building and having fun. That's what it all is all about. Bye for now.